Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 1.4.8 Visual Presentation. For the visual presentation of blocks of text, a mechanism is available to achieve the following. Foreground and background colors can be selected by the user. Width is no more than 80 characters or glyphs, 40 of CJK. Text is not justified, aligned to both the left and the right margins. Line spacing, leading, is at least space and a half within paragraphs, and paragraph spacing is at least 1.5 times larger than the line spacing. Text can be resized without assistive technology up to 200% in a way that does not require the user to scroll horizontally to read a line of text on a full-screen window. Here's an example of how to implement the visual presentation requirement in HTML and CSS. In this example, the HTML contains 3 P elements, each with a different class. The first P element is written with a normal font size and weight, and serves as a baseline for comparison. The second P element is written with a larger font size and weight, and the third P element is written in italics. The CSS sets the default font size and weight for all P elements to 16 pixels and normal, respectively. The large text class sets the font size to 24 pixels and the font weight to bold, making it larger and heavier than the default text. The italic text class sets the font style to italic, causing the text to appear slanted. This implementation ensures that text is presented visually in a way that is easy for users to understand, with clear contrasts between different types of text, making it accessible to users with visual impairments.